What's going on, guys? My name is Zulu, and today we're going to be talking about one of the greatest banana desserts of all time, bananas Foster. And I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, so today we're making bananas Foster. It's an absolute classic, it's an American classic, and it comes from New Orleans, I believe anyway. It's so tasty. All it is bananas cooked in a beautiful rum caramel sauce, and then you finish it off with some vanilla ice cream. I mean, come on. Bananas, caramel, ice cream, it's like a marriage made in heaven. So with that being said, let's make this, shall we? Okay, first things first. Get yourself a cinnamon stick, and you're going to lightly char it all over, like so. You can use a lighter, you can use the gas from your stove. Well, that's if you got a gas stove. If you don't have a gas stove, well, you ain't doing that one. And you can also use a blowtorch, like I've decided to use. Or instead, you can just skip all that and not char at all. It's totally your choice, but I recommend that you do it. And now you're going to need a medium-sized sauté pan and add 40 grams of unsalted butter, 80 grams of soft light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, a fine pinch of flaky salt, and the cinnamon stick to finish it off. Then pop it over medium heat, stir this constantly to avoid the butter from separating, because you want the butter and the sugar to melt at pretty much the same time so it becomes a nice homogenous mixture. And once the butter and the sugar have melted, try not to mix it too much because you don't want the sugar crystallizing. And once it starts to bubble, add in the bananas. I like to leave the bananas whole when I'm making this dessert because I find the bananas break down so much less doing it this way. But I do see a lot of recipes out there that cut the bananas in half lengthwise, so I'll leave that up to you. The power is in your hands. And just let the bananas caramelize over medium heat, undisturbed, for 2 to 3 minutes. If you do start messing with them, the bananas will start to break up and go really yucky. Anyways, once they've got a nice colour on one side, carefully flip them over using some tongs or spatula, whatever you prefer, but do me a favour, don't burn yourself. Keep your fingers out of the way as caramel tends to be pretty hot, and cook for an extra 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. And turn the gas up to medium high and pour in 40 ml of a good quality spiced rum. And when you add the rum, it should simmer immediately. And now it's time for the fun. It's time to flambé. So get yourself a blowtorch, a lighter, basically anything with a flame, and then ignite it. But do me a favour, stand well back and make sure no kids are around, as it's very dangerous. And the word flambé, it means to cook the alcohol off, which releases that wonderful flavour from whatever alcohol you decide to use, in this case, spiced rum. And then start to baste the bananas with that wonderful rum caramel sauce, ideally whilst it's flambéing. And then once the flame dies down, that's it. You've just made the most incredible caramelized flambé bananas. And now all that's left to do is to plate up. Arrange your bananas nice and neatly into a bowl or plate, your choice, along with a generous drizzle of your beautiful rum caramel sauce, and top with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. And now just get ready, because after one bite, get ready to be sent to Rum Banana Pajama Town. Well, so there it is. That's my recipe on how to make a beautiful classic bananas Foster. If you want to give this a go, the full recipe is down in the description below. Hey, that rhyme. Hope you enjoyed. If you do give it a go, that is. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video or you learned something, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.